Hi everyone, it's Femi Olaniyan here and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can do futures demo trading on Binance. Before I go into that, if you're new to my channel, my name is Femi Olaniyan and I make videos on crypto trading and how to make money online. So if you love content like this, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Thank you. Now, in case you don't have a Binance account yet, you can use my referral link in the description below to get 5% discount on all your trading fees. Now to how to do demo trading on Binance. Now as you can see, I'm on the home page on Binance, and the next thing you want to do is to go to your futures trading page. Now right here, I'm on the futures trading page on Binance, and the next thing you need to do is to tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Now once you've done that, you come here and tap on mock trading where the arrow is pointing to. And right here on your screen, you're going to be seeing mock trading. You'll be granted an initial funding worth 3,000 USDT. Follow the step-by-step guide and see how much you can earn. And then once you've done that, you come here to the bottom side of the screen and tap on Start Tool. As you can see on the screen, the next thing you need to do is to grant access to your Binance account. And to do that, you come to the bottom side of the screen and tap on Continue. Now, as you can see on the screen where the arrow is pointing to, that's where you'll be seeing the demo funds in your wallet. That is the funds you can use to do demo trading. And one thing you need to take note of is that the way you do the futures trading on the live account is the same way you do it on the demo account. It is the same thing. So let me try and take a trade using the demo funds. So let's say, for example, we want to long XRP right here. So I'll just come right here and pick my cross or isolated margin first. So right here, I'll be picking isolated margin, and then you pick confirm. And then the next thing is to pick your leverage. So you come here to where the arrow is pointing to, and then you tap it, and then you select whatever leverage you want to pick. So I'll leave it at 20x. And then next thing is to come here and pick limit of market. So I'll be picking market because I want to enter the trade immediately. And then the next thing is to enter the amount you want to use for the trade. So let's, for example, I want to use $5,000 out of what I have in my wallet. Right here, what I'll be entering right here is the amount I want to use multiplied by my leverage. So 5,000 multiplied by 20, that's, if I'm correct, that's $100,000. So you enter $100,000 right there. And then once you've done that, you just come right here and tap on buy or long. And then once you tap on buy or long, you'll be seeing your position right here. So you can see your position right here. This is the trade we are currently taking. Now, in case you don't know how to do futures trading before, because what I've just done might be new to you, or maybe you don't know how I did the leverage, how I did the amount I'm using to trade, and so on, I have a full guide on how to do futures trading on Binance. It is the best futures trading video you will ever find on YouTube. It's also the most watched video on my channel. So check it out. That video will teach you everything you need to know about futures trading on Binance. So this is how you can do futures demo trading on Binance. Now, you might want to ask me some questions like, can you withdraw your funds right here? Now, the answer is no, you can't. Now, the funds you have here are only for you to practice and maybe try out your strategies on Binance. So this is everything you need to know about the demo trading on Binance. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.